quack, little ducklings, off you go, waddling fast, row by row, through the meadow, over the hill, to the pond where the water is still. Quack, quack, splash and play, jump in the pond all day. Paddle left, paddle right, flap your wings with all your might. Quack, quack, look at you dive, happy and free, you're so alive. Nibbling plants, catching flies, under the bright blue skies. Quack, quack, it's time to rest, snuggle close in mama's nest. Dream of ponds and skies so blue, tomorrow brings more fun for you.
Hello Superstar Kids, subscribe for more videos. Bye kids, take care.